What's up, guys? I got my Team Corally Shogun 6S. Last time I ran this, I ran into a tire, and that video was real crappy. But what I'm doing today, I'm gonna run up here at this big old open park, get some jumps in, bash around. So I love this. This body is a Proline body. It goes to a 6S Crichton, but I wanted to put it on a Shogun. And I got these Scorpion, Power Hobby Scorpion tires on there. I got lights in the front and in the back. But when I'm running in here, I'm running all factory. I ain't really running nothing special except for the running like a 13 tooth pinion, factory spur gear. Had to change the shocks out. And we should be good now. These belted Scorpion tires. That's about it. Nothing special. Just want to rip her around real quick. Let's get into it. Haven't did too much off-road with these tires, but I want to check it out, see how it do. Let me just trim real quick. See if she gonna hold wheelies or keep cleaning. This grass a little high though. Let's see what we can do. And this thing is a beast. These tires is gripping though. Can't complain about that. She probably gonna get hot fast. Ooh! Got all kinds of rocks tearing me up. Good thing about these tires, they don't balloon. These tires don't got much flex. Oh no, not down there, god damn it. Yo, that jump I just did was off the charts, but I didn't catch none of it. I'm really mad. All right, let's give it another shot. If I would stop dropping the camera. I would catch that corny jump, right? Look like I broke the wing off. Yeah, pulled the screws out, but that's all right. Yeah, she getting up and everything, but I keep not catching it. God damn it. I didn't think I had air control with these tires, but it got plenty of air control. I'm gonna try to come at me. Up there she broke. Knew that was coming. So what I broke was the A-arm, the tie rod in the back. She alright. Yeah, that was some nice jumps. I just didn't know how the control was with this, with these tires, and I got better control than I thought. I thought it would move a little bit slower, but it's moving pretty good. I'm gonna fix this up. Just gotta change the rear A-arm. I didn't lose the pin. Lost dog bone. Yeah, got her back out. I fixed the arms, the rear arm. Had to put an older arm on there, but that's all right. That is okay. Yeah, these tires are a little heavy. Whoa. Yeah, these tires are just heavy, that's all. I mean, they keep it down. Yeah, but they slow it down too. Let's see how she handles the grass. Not bad in the grass. These tires is good all around tires, but for some reason, they're really heavy. This thing usually moves fast, and it's this Gen 8's battery. No, I got this on 4S. That's right. Okay. I got it on 4S. That's right. I got it on 4S. That's why she's not moving like that. I'm trying to figure out why it wasn't moving. I'm blaming the tires and everything. It's on 4S. That's why she's not moving like that. Ain't moving good enough though for 4S, come to think about it. Yeah, because when I was jumping, she was moving much harder, you know, faster than that, so I should have known. But I had so many parts for this that it's not going to stay down long. Got my nice little light set up on here. Whoa. And this is the Shogun. I'm gonna switch the wing out though. This car, only thing I want to do to this, I want to upgrade the arms and the motor mount system. Other than that, this car is pretty good. Yeah, I'll let you check out the inside. I think I already did. I'll let you check it out on the inside. It's nothing special. Nothing special at all. Lucky I stopped running, because look at this. And I just tightened it. Wow. I don't really like putting Loctite on certain things, because when you got trying to take it off. Look at this. Look at that screw. But I'm done anyway. Geez, thank God I am. And the bad part, and the thing about that is, I took the screws. This is what I did. I tightened the screws. I tightened all the screws up because I had to take the whole back end off. So, you know, I tightened up all the screws. Because I seen that was loose before. And I put it up. So it really loosened up just from that little bash I just did. You got to check your screws, man. Check your screws and your lugs before you go running. But I like to give a shout out. Number one shout out is to my wife. She has a channel now. She has a channel. I'll put it in the description below. Tiff Pets Plus. Go check her channel out. I'll put it in the link at the end of the video. You'll see that pop up. Also would like to give a shout out to RC Addiction. He's a great guy. He has a great channel. Go check him out. As always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.